Unboxing time from one of my favorite brands, MakerFlo. Let's see what is inside. Right away, you can see the variety. Skinny tumblers, water bottles, and more, all packaged beautifully and made. One thing I love about MakerFlo is their attention to quality and durability. Every blank feels smooth, sturdy, and ready for customization. These blanks are perfect for trying new techniques. Epoxy, UV resin, sublimation, UV DTF, UV color printing, rhinestonning, whatever your style is, these work with it. MakerFlo gives makers so many ways to create, customize, and get inspired. Let's get crafting!